Good morning. We are up and going and we are dressed and ready to go over to Magic Kingdom. We're going to explore our resort a little bit this morning. Go check out the playground.
And the arcades, don't worry.
And probably the arcades.
There's an arcade.
And I think the kids are wanting to go to Simba's Cub House tonight too, so we'll check that out later. There were some giraffes out here just a little while ago, but apparently they have moseyed on.
Well,
but we got to see some giraffes this morning.
Just went with its mom.
Yeah?
It was a baby. What did he do?
Where's he at?
He's camouflaging.
He's camouflaging?
He's doing it very good. The squirrel's a predator.
The squirrel might be a predator.
Whoa.
So here's the pool area from the other side in the daytime. You can kind of see the lodge a little bit better. And we're going to go over and see the Hakuna Matata playground. Let's check it out a little bit. And there's also a Savannah overlook over here. Oh, apparently a ping pong table. So there's the pool area, and the slide was really fun.
There's the flamingos.
There's the flamingos. African flamingos. I like the
cool. That's neat.
I already found all of these. Okay, on with our destination.
On to our destination.
I've already found all of the things I'm trying to.
There's a little bridge walkway that goes right near the pool, and then there's a little creek that's running underneath this bridge. And here in the shade is the Hakuna Matata playground.
So you can go here anytime?
Yeah.
I think so.
I love the little hut tops. Those are cute.
Good idea.
Oh, there's a water bottle refill station. Some water fountains here. Isabel looks like she's going to sit and draw. And there's some Purell hand sanitizing. And then there's a couple Savannah overlooks right next to this as well.
You gotta help on the playground.
Hello!
Hi.
Oh, did you see that the bench is an alligator, Isabella?
Yes.
This one's a turtle.
Turtle.
Yeah, that's cute. There's a swirly slide over there. Here's a music maker.
Exercise equipment.
Exercise equipment. I guess this one they just follow the Are you stuck?
No, it's just very slow and I was avoiding an ant.
And you're avoiding an ant.
You never know when it might bite you.
Oh, and by the way, the girls are wearing matching shirts today. Thank you for Seven Seas Trading Company for sending us these shirts. I'll try to remember to put their link down below. They're super cute glitter mouse ear shirts. So we're wearing these into the Magic Kingdom today. We're gonna head to Kona Cafe. There's like a little hidden spa over here.
Can I go there?
I think it's like a hot tub, so it's probably too hot for you, honey. It's like really, really hot water. Your shower water's burning hot. Pool is open for the day. gonna head over the bridge, and we're actually taking the car to Kona Cafe this morning so we don't have to do a bunch of transfers. Just helps kind of save time.
I just saw a weird looking fly, or was it a moth? But it had a big head.
Oh yeah?
Bug.
Might have been like whatever that was that flew in our room last night. Or when I was doing a live on Instagram, some giant bug flew in as I opened the door to turn around. And I was like, no, go out, go out.
Yeah.
Yes. You know where we're going to have breakfast?
Where?
The place that you said you liked, we're going to the Polynesian. I just realized that there's giraffes on the elevators. That's cool. Yeah, look on the elevators. There's giraffes on all of them. That's cool. Beautiful lobby this morning. At the Polynesian to go to Kona Cafe. So this is another resort that we really like, and at some point would like to stay here at the Polynesian. Probably some trip that we do party nights would be a good choice. I like the theming of this one, and then of course it's handy because it's got the monorail loop that goes right around this area, so it's easier to get in and out of Magic Kingdom. I like the smell of this one on the inside. My husband's not as big of a fan of the smell of this one, but it's just a really unique kind of water floral smell. You like this one? You like the smell of this one?
It gets stronger as you get closer.
It does get stronger as you get closer to the lobby.
That means it gets better.
So Hana is usually where we go here, but we are going to be up in that corner at Kona Pluto. Last time we were here at Ohana, Stitch was outside. I changed the name of the store to the Moana Mercantile. So we are eating at Kona Cafe for the first time. So here's a look at what they have and order off the menu. I know we're definitely going to be trying the Tonga toast. So obviously that's one of the things that they're known for. They have a number of sides you can add on, some specialty beverages. The mimosa looks good. There's a mimosa flight too. And they've got the liliku juice, which the kids like getting those mixed juices for breakfast. Oh, they have Kona coffee. I like this Kona coffee. It's Joffrey's coffee. It's really good. And then on the kids menu, they've got scrambled eggs, oatmeal, and dried cranberries, or like kind of a make your own. They have Mickey-shaped pancakes, Isabella. You want Mickey-shaped pancakes? Here's your menu down here. They have Minnie's French toast, Mickey-shaped pancakes. So pick one of those. Kids both got Mickey pancakes and bacon, and then Dan and I both got the Tonga toast with the bacon on the side, and this is their first time trying it, and it looks delicious. So the outside is like a cinnamon sugar, and then on the inside, it's got a banana filling. And then you have regular syrup that you can put on it, but there's also this strawberry syrup you can put on it as well. It was was absolutely delicious, and the kids really enjoyed the strawberry sauce as well. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daniel. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Look how many y'all put it. Okay, maybe.
Yay! Okay, we just rode the monorail over and we're headed into Magic Kingdom.
That saved us from having to do back check here.
Yeah.
No, you didn't bring that thing, did you? Cruise line hat.
Cruise line hat. Oh, her baseball cap?
What?
Cruise line hat. I can't remember. I thought about
The kids keep trying to go on annual pass holder lines. I think they're trying to tell us something. Yes. What's your quick review of the cooling towel, Daddy?
It's great.
Worth every penny. Okay, we got misting fans, a hat, cooling towels, which do work really, really well. Definitely recommend these if you're coming in the summer. And the kids are enjoying the spray fans for a variety of reasons. We're gonna head. We have a Seven Dwarfs Mine Train fast pass this morning, and then the rest of our fast passes are in the evening. So we're gonna try to do the same thing, where we get out of here during the hottest part of the day and go back and swim.
They still got that Buzz Lightyear thing here. You can take a picture with the water.
Yeah. I'm gonna run into Uptown Jewelers real quick to see if they have that Loungefly wallet. Okay, I didn't take any video, but they had a whole bunch of the Rose Gold stuff at Uptown Jewelers. They had the bags and the wallets. So I went ahead and got the wallet, which I'll share in like a haul. wet. Stopping by Dan's favorite place, the Cheshire Cafe. They have the Cheshire Cattail and cold brew coffee. Huh?
I'm not getting a cattail.
You're not getting a cattail right now?
Too hot for cattails, but I am getting the cold brew coffee.
You are getting the cold brew coffee. All right.
I'll sacrifice.
Apparently our Cheshire cattail temperature is under 90 degrees.
Like the frozen lemon, don't want a cold brew
They're
coffee.
pretty excited because they found out that they can make rainbows with their spritzers.
Oh, I'm out.
No, you're not out. You still got stuff on there.
Oh.
It's really complicated.
No, I got it.
It's not going in the hole, hon. There you go. No, you just gotta hold it in the spot where, yeah, no. See, once it starts dribbling out the side, that means it's not going in the right spot anymore.
We're gonna ride the girls' favorite ride here at Magic Kingdom, which is Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. We have a fast pass for this one this morning, and then all the rest of our fast passes are stacked up in the evening. I think we have like Splash Mountain, Big Thunder Mountain. The kids are talking about going to Simba's Cub House, so they may do that, and then Dan and I will just be the ones to do the fast passes tonight. You ready to go, Natalie? All right, put that in the pocket as soon as you get in there. There's Bella. Here's Bella and Daddy. You ready to go? You can't hardly reach that, can you? Here we go.
Oh, here's the fun one. Like, yeah. I love this ride. Can we go again by standby?
I don't know if we're gonna win the heat right now. Yeah.
I know it has more than 10 minutes in a
Yeah, it definitely has more than 10 minutes.
because it's a hit.
It is a hit. Here's Beast Castle, where Be Our Guest is. I really like eating there. We're not eating there on this trip, but I think next trip I'm gonna get reservations there because I enjoy that one. It's just really beautiful on the inside. There's Gaston's Tavern. And we're going around to go ride the Barnstormer.